Welcome to my channel. Here we are going to be working on the construction of a pentagon. That's a five-sided polygon when we are given the length of the pentagon. So let's see how this construction can be done. So what we have to do first, so let's put on the auto mode and we are to draw, the length is 40 millimeters. So we are to draw a horizontal line of length 40. All right, so we have this. Okay, so the next thing that we are going to do is that we are going to bisect this line. But before that, I want to label each point on the ends of the line. So we give it a height of 2 and the rotation angle is 0. So at this point, so this is point A, okay, and this point here is NP of the line. Okay, so then the next thing that we are going to do, as I said, is to bisect this line. So we take the arc, this particular arc, and from this point, so we draw an arc. So we give it a distance of, I'll give it a distance of something like, okay, so this is 40, I'll give it a distance of 30. So we have this arc, okay? Then we take the arc again. So also from point A, so the distance of 30. So the arc usually go at clockwise, just take note of the way I'm doing it again. So we take it and make use of center B here. So we draw an arc, so radius 30, so it goes like this, and then we repeat it again, okay? So from B here, so the distance is 30, so we have this. All right, so now we can now draw a vertical line. So we can draw a vertical line. I'm going to draw a vertical line. So from this point here, so passing through this point and it goes up like this. Okay, so there is it. All right, so we escape this. So I don't really need this one. So I'm going to trim it. So I'll trim everything here like this. Okay, so all right, so this is the one I need. So I don't need the one up there, but I'm going to do something now. So we are going to draw two circles, making use of this center and this center. So let's draw the circle. So from here, so we extend it to this point B here, and then we repeat the circle. So we make use of this point and we extend it to this point. Okay, so we have the circles like this. All right, so I'm going to, all right, so I will extend this line. I will extend this line to touch this point here. So that's what I need. All right, so the next thing that I'm going to do is to label each of these points. So I'll put up the auto mode, then I'm going to copy this. All right, so I will copy this. So we have this point here, that will be point C, and this point here will be point D. Okay, so I need to adjust this. All right, so I'm going to edit this. This is point C, and this point here is point D. All right, so we have this now. The next thing that I'm going to do, I need to draw an arc. So from this point, passing through this point and touching this circle here. All right, so, and we go like this. So we take this particular arc and then this point at the center, then this point, and it goes like this. Okay, so it goes like this, drop it. All right, so we want to draw the same arc to this side. What I'm going to do, I'm going to mirror this arc. So I will click on mirror, then select the object to mirror, then right click. I will now click on this vertical line. This is a mirror line. So it goes like this. Okay, just ensure that you have it. So this is it. So make sure the cursor is vertical on the vertical line, so drop it. All right, so just click on no. So this is what we have, what we need. So we have done it. All right, so the next thing that we are going to do here, is that I'm going to label this point. So I'm going to copy this. So I'll copy this. So then I have this point here. I have a point here. Then where the arc touches the vertical line, there's a point there. So I'm going to change this. So this point here, so I'm going to edit this and it will be point E. So this point, so this is point F, and this point here is point G. So we have this. So the next thing that we are going to do is that we are going to draw a line passing through, starting from point E here, passing through point G and touching this circle. This is what I mean. So I will draw a line from this point, passing through point G. Okay, so I will take it up like this. Okay, so let me just extend it directly. Okay, so we extend like this, and it touches the circle at this point. All right, so we have this now. So next, so we are going to repeat the same line. So from point F, passing through point G, I'll just drop it here. Then I will extend it, I will stretch it. So it goes like this, and touching this circle. So touching this circle at this point. All right, so we have this now. So the next thing that we are going to do is that we are going to extend this vertical line a bit. I need to extend it. So it goes up like this. All right, so that is okay. So then we are going to take the arc, okay? So this particular arc. So standing at this point, so the length of the polygon is 40. So I'm going to give it a distance of 40. So press enter key and draw the arc here. So then we take it again, okay? So we make use of this point and then we give it a distance of 40. So it goes like this. So intersecting this one. Okay, so we are going to label this point, and this point. So I'm going to copy this one. Okay, so I'll copy the selection. So I will drop one here. Okay, so drop one here and then drop one at this point. All right, so I will edit each of them. So the next one that we have EFGH. So this is point H. So this point here. So this point is point I, and this point is point J. Okay, so we have this. So I want to take this letter, I want to take it, so bring it somewhere down here. All right, so it's okay. All right, so the next thing that we are going to do is just to join these 3 points together, including this one. So we join from here, so from A to H, and then to J here. Okay, so to I, and then back to B. All right, so we have the polygon. So let's stick in the lines. Let's stick in the length of side of the pentagon. All right, so we come here and then we select this, okay? So this is the pentagon. It's as simple as I've done it here. All you have to do is to practice. When you practice it, you become a master at it. Thank you, keep on practicing, and God bless you.